Hey, what's going on? Peace, guys. How's everybody doing? Right here we have the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I'm going to show you a case that I got for it, but not this one that's on my phone, because I've already showed you this Nilken case. But if you're interested, I can leave a link to that. But today we're going to be discussing a brand new case, something that's pretty fresh, something that's pretty new. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this Spigen case right here to my right. Now this is for the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Note 9S, or the Note 9 Pro Ultra Hybrid. So you can see right here, you're going to have to remove two films, A and B. And you can see right here that it says slim for grip, form fitted for device as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up the top portion of the case, and let's go ahead and just take a look at this thing and see what it has to offer. So this is the Spigen case. Let's see if they put anything else inside. Okay, that's everything that is inside of this Spigen case. Now this is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. So just so you know, that's the name of it. And I will be leaving a link down below so you can actually check it out for yourself, so you can see it for yourself. But wow, I really like that they put these little blue strips here to help me with that peeling process. That's actually pretty cool. Now we're getting some solid build right here. You can see it's got a shaved off right there. It's like shaved and rounded, very aerodynamic is the best word to describe it. You can see those rounded corners, which is going to fit really nice in the hand. And then at the top we do have the cutouts for your microphone and IR blaster. On this side you have your Spigen branding, which is right here on the right hand side down below, and it's just a smooth like powdery material right here. It feels really smooth, baby smooth, actually really soft. I'm gonna peel this protective film right off of here, put it right to this side. Then let's go ahead and peel this inner portion right here, and we're gonna go ahead and pop that right off as well. And now you can see we do have a clear case which you can see completely through. It's completely transparent. And then we have this cutout which actually has a nice grippy rubbery inner layer, which is actually, and you could feel it has a nice feel to it. It almost feels like a different texture than the one that we're getting right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, without any more waiting, I'm gonna just pop this right on the back. Wow, that looks beautiful, guys. That looks really beautiful. It makes the cameras level to the phone now. So you can see right here, the cameras are now level to the phone, which means that there's no rocking when you put it on the back of the phone. Let me test out the fingerprint sensor. Wow, that was pretty quick. What I don't like about the let me show you. Those animations take a minute to come back on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. I noticed it didn't do that, but it's still really fast fingerprint. And then you can see right here, it feels good in my hand, honestly. Really good, actually. So let me just show you right here. You get that fingerprint cutout right there, which has a nice groove right there, so you can actually just feel it fits right perfectly, and it feels smooth to the touch. It's almost like a ramp. When you touch it, it feels like a mini half pipe right there. How they carved it into the case, it's really nice. So you have like a mini, then you got the cutouts right here, and those buttons feel extremely pleasant to click. I'm not even gonna front, that feels nice. And then the power button is the fingerprint sensor, which is really convenient. And then you get those bottom cutouts right there for the Type-C, headphone jack, and the speaker as well. But that about does it for this case, guys. This case is really nice because it's going to offer a lot of protection. Not only that, it's going to offer you a really nice visual experience because you're going to be able to see the back of the phone as well. And you got that camera cutout right here, which is going to protect the cameras really nicely. However, I still feel that this case does a better job of protecting the cameras, but this case does a better job of protecting the front. So it's up to you, but if you want to mix it up a little bit, Just make sure you don't put your finger here by accident, because you will touch the lenses and you'll get fingerprints there, and you don't want to do that. So that's why I actually bought this case. So I'll leave a link to both of these cases because I feel like they're both really nice. But this one right here from Spigen is my newest case, and it just feels really nice right now. So I'm really enjoying this case. It just has a really nice experience. Definitely has a nice feel to it, and you can see the back of the phone. But thank you guys for checking out this video on the Redmi Note 9 Pro Spigen case. And as always, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, later crew. Peace.